I think we're gonna take this old girl for a rip. Got some diesel treat in the tank, so I kind of want to run through it. So we might start her up and take her down the road here. Moved for like, I don't know, 2-3 months, so fired right up. Let her get some heat in the engine a little bit, and then we'll take her down the road and run some of that through. And we're doing I'm gonna do a full PM on it, and kind of getting motivated to get this thing on the road. That was fun. Nice little rip in that truck. Now it's time to find a trailer. It's getting down to crunch time, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. We are in my hometown, actually, getting fuel. Still got the Gator behind us. I am headed down to I don't know how to, around Baltimore, DC. I'll make it easy for you guys. Going down there to pick up 2 Triumph cars, old Triumph cars, TR3s, I think, for a customer of mine. They're both project cars. They're disassembled to some point. All I've seen is pictures like in the garage, and there was a bunch of like clutter and stuff, like hoods, body parts, interior. And originally I was gonna get that, or I was expecting to get that for my customer, but he told me, he said, I'm gonna go over there and see what stuff I actually want, so if you can just get the cars, then we'll be good. Now Dad's helping me today with the enclosed. I've got the Gator because the one car doesn't have wheels, or I don't think, maybe not even front suspension on it, so I'm gonna have to put it on dollies. Dollies aren't going to go up the rear of this Gator, or I could have just got both on this trailer if they all had wheels and suspension. We'll put it on dollies and winch it up into the enclosed, which should be realistically pretty easy. Cars are light, and even lighter that they're disassembled, so that should work out. And then the one might just need tires pumped up. Just put that up on this trailer, and then talk with my customer and see when and how he wants these delivered. He's got a property that I take him to, and it's only about 20-25 minutes from my house. Well, this makes for a fun fun pickup. Cars are back in that garage back there. Got Dad trying to back the, we'll start with the enclosed. See if we can get a car out. It's just tight, and they got these box trucks parked here, so we have the blind side in. Good thing Dad drives for a living. Tight squeeze. Pull it some.
A little too shy for work. I've been hurt before. All's fair in love and war. So I snuggle up close to the shell I'm living in. And if I let you in, another round begins. No, I'm spinning in a vicious cycle. I'm scared of doing something I'll regret. Maybe this is right, but I'm still staring at your silhouette. But what if you're everything I need? A fire in my heart, the air I breathe. What if I'm incomplete without you by my side? And what if I go against my heart instead of confessing from the start? What if I miss out on the life meant for us? I need you by my side.
Should I be scared? The feeling's so different now. You got me floating here, a feather in the air. Oh, but when the wind blows, will I tumble or sail away? Or would you have me stay? And what if I escape? I know
I'm spinning in a vicious cycle. I'm scared of doing something I'll regret. Maybe this is right, but I'm still staring.
Alright, so the plan, we pulled that one out, and we're gonna put that one on my flatbed. Just couldn't get my, I don't think I'll be able to get my trailer in there. So put that one in the enclosed. Dad's gonna do a loop around the block, back up to me, and I'm gonna pull it right up onto my trailer.
escape. I know
I'm spinning in a vicious cycle. I'm scared of doing something I'll regret. Maybe this is right, but I'm still staring at your silhouette. But what if you're everything I need? A fire in my heart, the air I breathe. What if I'm incomplete without you by my side? What if I go against my heart instead of confessing from the start? What if I miss out on the life meant for us? I need you by my side, by your side. I'm not afraid. We found something that'll never fade. We can be ourselves and figure out the rest along the way. What if you're everything?
Alright, well there's half the battle done. Maybe. See, this one's on jack stands. It's got no front wheels. It's got no hubs, so we're gonna have to set the front down on dollies. Good news is there's air in that tire. And there's air in that tire, so that's good. We'll probably, Dad's gonna go get turned around. He's gotta do a loop around the block so he can blindside in here. And he's got the jack in the back. That jack doesn't work. Jack it up, put it down on the dollies, and then realistically we should be able to just winch it up in there. Might have to maneuver the dollies a little bit with the ramp and the dip going in through the door, but let's go back out here and help him back in. All right. There's all the weights on the front wheel of the caster.
Yeah, that'll change here in there probably.
Alright.
Keep getting.
Yeah. Alright, we're still good on my side. Let me make sure this one's still under. Go a little farther. Alright.
Alright, we got a little issue. This one over here is not. But
Why don't you, watch out.
I'll let that cough over there.
Alright, go a little farther. Let me see what it does.
Might just stay there. Hold on, I gotta let the sun get out of the way. Block that wheel.
It's tangled up.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on, hold on.
Got too much on this one side. The block the other wheel will stay.
Try it.
Alright, ready?
Yep. Keep going. Good. Let me leave that winch on there quick. Oh, all right, now all I gotta do is strap this one down. Kind of removed everything that that could fly out, even body panels. You saw the hood came off the other one, but get this strapped down and get these delivered. Stop taking pictures, we got stuff to do. Not much for a floorboard to put my feet on, but there's no way to get this trailer back to this guy's property, so we ride. Now there is a little bit of downhill here, so that's our only worry, is if it starts gaining on the truck. I don't have any brakes, so see what happens. It's slowing itself down pretty good with this flat tire. I'll just put it in the ditch if I have to, instead of running into the back of Dad's truck. You got to speed up. Alright, you're good. Hold on tight, boys. Alright, all the downhill's done, so phew. The only way for me to not hit him is for him to speed up, which means then in turn we have to get faster. So